Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for dropping by. I am Yang G. While you're here, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram, so please do follow me there as well. So I know a lot of people have a hard time doing their eyeliner, especially the winged liner. I used to hate doing it, and it took me a while to be confident to draw the wings, especially to make them even. But with patience and practice, I know that you guys can do it too. If you want to know my tips and tricks and see how I did this, please keep on watching. There are different eyeliner products that you can use. Pencil, liquid eyeliner, pen, pwedeng brush pen or pwedeng felt, pwede ding gel, pwede ring eyeshadow, and meron din yung mga water-activated na type. But if you're a beginner, I suggest you start practicing with a pencil. Wag mo na yung waterproof para pag nagkamali ka, madali mo siyang mabubura. And then when you're confident enough to do it with a pencil, then you can practice with pen. When you've mastered this and you want to use gel, I suggest that you practice first with eyeshadow mixed with water. Gagawa ka ng paste with it. Kasi yung gel, mabilis siyang matuyo. And you need a higher skill for that kasi gagamit ka na rin ng brush. For brush, I have two options for you. The first one is this. Okay, I like using this brush kapag ginagamit ko yung gel or yung nasabi ko sa inyo kanina na paste. Kasi madali ka rin makakagawa ng lines with this one. You can be precise. Meron din pala yung ganitong type, yung naka-bend. Pero I've used this only a few times, so I cannot give a fair review about this. So, balikan ko na lang kayo next time. You can also get brushes from the art store. I think liner brush din yung tawag nila doon eh. Pwede rin yung mga brushes na ginagamit for nail art. And then, the next type of brush is this one. I like using it with gel and eyeshadow. As in, the eyeshadow na powder lang, not turning it into paste. And yes, it's the same brush that I use for eyebrows. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link here. I'll also put the link in the description box below. So ganun din, maganda rin kasi siyang panggawa ng lines. Also big help to have a mirror that is big enough or wide enough that you can see both eyes ng malapitan. This will come in handy when you check your wings kung pantay sila. Some people say na hindi nila kayang gumawa ng winged eyeliner kasi ganito daw yung shape ng mata nila. But whatever your eye shape is, there's a way. It's just a matter of placement kung saan mo ilalagay yung line and yung wing. So, the winged liner will look different for different people, obviously because we have different eye shapes. So basically, you're going to line your eyes here sa may lash line. Okay, and then you're going to extend the wing here. But what you need to consider are your eye folds and assess how thick you can have the line. So, depende yan kung anong klaseng mata meron ka. The angle of your wing will depend on you. Just remember that we're going for a lifted look. If you're having a hard time determining that angle, what you can do is follow the angle of your lower lash line. So, with my eyes, kita nyo to? Yan. I-extend ko lang siyang paganon. Hi guys! So, while I was filming this video, my baby wakes up. My 2-month-old baby wakes up and asks for milk. I breastfeed exclusively, so wala akong choice but to give her milk and put her to sleep. Tapos, nung nag-resume ako mag-film, nakalimutan kong i-fine-tune yung top part ng eyeliner. So, just a heads up before any of you guys start pointing it out na hindi siya pantay. Nakita ko na lang siya while editing and wala na. Nasayangan naman ako na hindi siya ituloy kasi natapos ko na siyang i-film and yun, sayang naman. Anyway, basta you'll see. I hope you just get the good parts of this video. Anyway, I have here 2 photos of different Filipino eyes. My barkada, my dear high school friends, willingly took and gave me these pictures to use specifically for this tutorial. Let's look at Michelle's eyes. Makita nyo na dahil sa tiklop ng mata niya, she doesn't have a lot of space for eyeliner. what she can do is tightline and start her liner here. Hindi naman kailangan buong lash line may eyeliner. So, from there, pwede nang lagyan ng wing. Just remember, we're following the angle of the lower lash line. Si Marge naman, as you can see, has more space than Michelle. Though, hindi rin ganon kalaki. I think she can afford to put liner on her entire lash line as long as it's thin. And then the wing. So, like I said, whatever your eye shape is, you can find a way to make the winged liner work for you. It's in the placement. Okay, so game. I curled my lashes and put mascara. Make sure that you do this before doing your eyeliner. Kasi pag ginawa ninyo siya after ninyo mag-eyeliner, didikit yung eyeliner dun sa eyelash curler ninyo and pwedeng masira yung line na ginawa ninyo. So, you're going to touch it up and then you'll do it again. Sayang oras. I'm going to use pencil on my left eye and then the eyeshadow mixed with water on my right, as in yung gagawing paste. And I like doing my left eye first because I am right-handed. I have better control, so mas madali kong mamamatch yung ginawa ko sa left kapag hinuli ko yung right eye ko. Also, when you're using pencil, make sure that it is sharp, okay? I like starting doing the angle of my wing, just so when I do the line, yung buo, mas tuloy-tuloy ko na siyang nagagawa. Hindi ko na masyadong iisipin kung tama yung angle. And when I do this, I don't pull my eye like this. Yung iba ganyan yung ginagawa, okay? Please don't. Kasi pagka ginawan mo yan ng line, ng nakahila to, pag binitawan mo siya, mag-iiba yung shape. So like I said earlier, you follow the angle of your lower lash line. See? You see it? Yan. Okay, now that I've marked the angle, I will leave it first and mark the other side as well. This way, makikita ko na kaagad if my eyeliner will be even when I'm done. This is why I said a while ago that it's going to help you a lot if you have a mirror wide enough na makikita mo both eyes. Unlike kapag maliit yung salamin mo tapos ililipat-lipat mo na ganon, mas mahirap makita kung pantay na siya. Going back to my left eye, the length of your wing depends on what you want or the look that you're going for. Okay, but for this tutorial, let's just go a bit higher than the highest point of your eye, or in my case, my eye. So, yan. See? At dahil yung fold ko nandito sa mas mataas, I can actually afford na buuin yung line sa upper lid ko. So I'm just using small strokes until I connect this part sa lash line. So just be patient with it. Don't worry too much about what the shape will be kapag nakapikit yung mata ninyo. The important thing is what it will look like when your eyes are open. Tapusin nyo muna yung itsura niya habang nakadilat. And then when you're done, you can now close your eyes and then start filling in yung gaps. And then after this, I'm going to tightline. It's uncomfortable at first, but if you want this look, then you just have to do it and you practice until you get used to it, right? So what I do is place the mirror sa baba and you look down like this. Tapos, habang naka-look down ka, I have my eyeshadow and I put setting spray. I'm mixing it until makagawa ako ng paste. And then, with the liner brush, okay, twist mo siya ng ganyan para maging finer. Let's do it! Pwede mong gamitin yung shape ng brush mismo na pang stamp. to dito. Yun o, stamp mo lang. Yun. Imbis na gumawa ka ng line na nakaganyan yung brush, ihiga mo yung brush mo na ganun. Diba? Okay, now I want you to see the difference. Itong left eye, nilagyan ko na ng eyeliner yung waterline. Itong kanan, wala. See, parang may mga space, may white space doon. So that's why it makes your lashes fuller and it makes the look more complete. By the way guys, if you noticed, when I was doing my eyeliner, para mas stable, pwede niyong lagay yung pinky finger and then do your lines. Same on the other side. So there! This look will be completed on the next video, and maybe you can take a guess which series I just watched recently that inspired me to do this look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, but more importantly, I hope you learned a lot. If you did, please do like this video, and if you have questions, comment down below. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for more content, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Both have the same username, Yang G Makeup. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Especially to make both of them even. I used to hate